What's up, Diggy Ducky? Hey, I got another piece of advice for y'all. If y'all got cars that you know been sitting for a while, or you know you drive them a lot, high mileage, etc., etc., hey, Seafoam. You can use Seafoam for a lot of stuff. You can actually use this to do an engine cleaning. Like, it's a whole process to use this for engine cleaning, so don't try this without your local mechanic doing it. But you know, you can use this to clean the inside of your engine if you want to do an internal engine cleaning. But I mainly use Seafoam for gas treatment, and especially like for me, I got a lot of cars, so I might got one specific car that I like driving more than the others, so I might let one sit longer than most. So if I know, especially as a truck driver, if you know your car been sitting for weeks and months, get yourself some Seafoam and pour this in your tank. You can actually do like an intake cleaner with this. Like if you got the intake cleaner tool where you pour this in the babysitter part of it, and it's a tube that runs. It runs from that piece to the brake booster. It's actually, it's actually a hose right here. You would take this hose off and feed this Seafoam through that hose, because that hose actually goes to your intake, which is all of this. All right, so let me give y'all a clearer. I had dropped this I hate when I be working on cars and you drop a damn tool. I dropped this damn funnel, and I'm gonna show y'all this too, because on these damn trucks, it's not easy to put stuff in your tank, which I like that because that's a good safety measure. But that's your brake booster, and this hose is where you feed the Seafoam through. So let me show y'all how to put the Seafoam in this damn truck with this funnel right here, or a funnel. All right, so you put this in there, and then you just pull the Seafoam in there. You take this and you pour it in your gas tank. You cannot do this without a funnel because it will not go in. Like I said, that's a safety measure for these trucks, which is awesome, but I still would try to get a lock put on here somehow. But that will keep your fuel injectors running clean. You want your fuel injectors running clean because that's how you get rough idle. Sometimes your car cut off. Like without good fuel injectors, your engine will not run, or it will not run smooth. So keep them clean.